Hi, it's Donna Guest, the Lazy Scrapbooker and Creative Memories Advisor. I always love when Creative Memories offers exclusive products through promotion. Spend just $135 or more on my website right now through April 26th at 1 p.m. and you'll get to choose one of 2 amazing bundles. That deadline is next week, so this video is going to date itself pretty quickly. Let's take a look at the Weaving Waves paper pack. You get 6 designs, double-sided, with 6 sheets of paper. So you get 2 of each so you can do a double-page spread. The Weaving Waves bundle also includes a border punch, which we'll look at in a moment. The Building Bricks bundle also includes a 6-pack of paper with 6 designs, double-sided, so that you can create 2-page spreads. Now let's take a look at the border punch that comes with the Building Bricks bundle. Okay, for Building Bricks, I chose paper in cranberry and light gray. And for this, the punch is going to punch out the mortar of a brick wall. So I'm going to punch on the light gray. I chose light gray over charcoal because it was a better contrast with the red, but you can use whatever colors you like. Now, when you're using one of these border punches, you of course start at the black line right here. And if you've never used a border punch, check out my video on border punches in the top right-hand corner. Now this punch is cool because it has what I call a little vampire tooth right there, and it gives you exactly where to place your paper once you have punched it, so there's no question about that, so that you're not re-punching things that you've already punched. And be careful to gently press the paper against that back ledge back there so that you're getting a straight punch, and that looks pretty perfect. Now, this fits perfectly on a piece of paper that is 1 inch and 3/8. So I'm going to take the cranberry paper and I'm going to cut 1 inch and 3/8. That's not quite to 1.5 inches if you don't love fractions. And if you really don't love fractions, you can place it on the page with your tape runner first and then trim it off. So now I'm going to use my repositionable tape runner. I don't know why I just flipped it over. It's the same on both sides. I always do that with cardstock. And we're going to place it on the red. I think this is a perfect border for so many subjects. I like it for school albums for some reason. I just associate brick with schools. And it looks great on some of the brick paper. And here is the Weaving Waves punch, and it also has the little vampire tooth there that shows you where to line your paper up as you go through, and of course you start on the black line. So let me punch this border now. I'm punching it pretty hard, as you can hear, because earlier it got stuck on me and I actually had to do the fix for that. When a punch gets stuck, the best solution, I will tell you, is to take it and just throw it on a carpeted floor and it will come unstuck. That happens time to time. All right, so there is a beautiful border punched with that, and let's see what we can create. Here's some of that beautiful Weaving Waves paper with several borders alternating so that they're right up next to each other. And you've got plenty of room for your photos. I hope you can take advantage of this great offer to get these exclusive products. These punches are a great way to make super fast pages. Be sure to like or subscribe so you'll see all future videos, and this video will make it to more people. Thanks for watching.